If you've got a Yorkie, or you're about to, you already know life is never boring with these little dogs around. They're smart, stubborn, and somehow manage to be both your shadow and your boss at the same time. But keeping a Yorkie happy takes more than just cuddles and treats. Welcome to Doggy Pedia. In this video, we're sharing 15 things every Yorkie owner should always do. These aren't hard, just simple, everyday habits that make a real difference. Stick around. Whether you're new to Yorkies or you've been living with one of these tiny troublemakers for years, you'll find tips here that make daily life smoother, healthier, and way more manageable. Let's jump in. 1. Keep their world at ground level. It might seem harmless and even cute when your Yorkie hops off the couch to follow you, but those tiny leaps can really strain their small bodies. Imagine jumping down from a height 2 or 3 times your size every day. These jumps can cause muscle strains, twisted ligaments, or even painful leg fractures, especially on slippery floors like tile or wood. Over time, this can wear down their joints and lead to arthritis or mobility issues much earlier than expected. That's why providing a ramp or stairs is so important. There are plenty of lightweight, stylish options that fit right next to your couch or bed, making it easy and safe for your Yorkie to get up and down. Yorkies usually learn quickly, especially when encouraged with treats, making ramps a simple way to protect their tiny joints and keep them confidently zooming by your side for years to come. 2. Adjust their food as they grow. Yorkies don't stay the same size or have the same needs forever. What fuels a growing puppy won't suit an energetic adult or a mellow senior. Puppy food supports development and growth, while adult formulas are balanced for energy and digestion. Senior food, on the other hand, is gentler on the stomach and helps with weight control. Talk to your vet before switching formulas, and always transition gradually to avoid upsetting their tummy. Giving your Yorkie the right food at the right stage keeps them feeling their best at every age, from bouncy puppy to wise little elder. 3. Rotate their toys. Don't just add more. It's tempting to buy your Yorkie every cute toy you see, but most dogs end up ignoring the pile. Instead, keep a small basket of toys out and swap them every few days. Hide a couple for a week, then bring them back like they're brand new. Your Yorkie will be thrilled every time. Rotating toys keeps playtime exciting and helps your pup stay interested in things they already have. It also makes it easier to spot broken toys that could be unsafe. You'll save money, keep your space tidier, and make sure your Yorkie always feels like something special is waiting for them. It's a small habit that brings a big boost to their daily happiness. 4. Learn what their barks really mean. Yorkies have a reputation for being loud, but every bark means something. Are they excited, anxious, or just trying to tell you the neighbor's cat is outside again? Pay attention to the tone and timing of their barks. If they bark at the same time every day, maybe they're hungry, bored, or need to go out. Instead of shushing them every time, get curious. Check what's going on and respond to their needs. Sometimes it's just a sign they want to play or need reassurance. Over time, you'll start to notice patterns and be able to tell the difference between, "Hey, someone's at the door," and "Hey, I'm bored." Knowing what your Yorkie is trying to say keeps your bond strong and helps prevent frustration for both of you. 5. Give them a quick body check. Every few days. Yorkies are great at hiding pain, so it's smart to check them over regularly. Gently run your hands along their back and belly, check for soreness or flinching in their legs, and make sure their eyes are clear and ears clean. A limp, sudden sensitivity, or swelling can all be signs something's off. While you're at it, do a quick peek at their teeth and gums. Redness or hesitation while chewing could signal discomfort. These small checks take just a minute and help you catch problems before they become serious. 6. Teach a solid "come here" and practice it often. A reliable recall isn't just for big dogs, it's a must for Yorkies too. Whether your pup is in the yard, at the park, or just exploring the house, you want them to come running when called. Start by calling them in a happy voice from across the room and reward with a treat or favorite toy. Practice in safe, low-distraction spaces first, then gradually add more challenges. Never call your Yorkie for something they hate, like bath time at first. Keep it all positive. The more you practice, the more confident you'll both feel. A good recall keeps your Yorkie safe and lets you relax, knowing they'll come back every time. 7. Puppy-proof your home, even for grown-up Yorkies. Don't let your guard down just because your Yorkie's not a puppy anymore. These little guys love to explore, and they're quick to find things you'd never expect, like a dropped sock, a pen, or even the tiniest scrap of food under the couch. Yorkies can get into trouble fast if they swallow or chew something they shouldn't. Make it a habit to check your floors and pick up anything small right away. Keep bags zipped and out of reach, and use lids on trash cans so your Yorkie can't dig for treasure. Child-proof locks on lower cabinets can also save you a lot of worry. And don't forget about electrical cords. Wrap them up or hide them so there's nothing for curious teeth to find. A little extra effort now can keep your Yorkie safe and your mind at ease. 8. Give them a cozy spot to retreat. Even the boldest Yorkie needs a place to relax, especially when life gets loud. Whether it's a small bed in a quiet corner or a crate with their favorite blanket, make sure your dog knows they have a safe place to chill. This isn't just for comfort. Having a personal spot can help with stress, anxiety, and even training. If your Yorkie gets overwhelmed by visitors or just wants a nap away from the action, let them have their downtime without interruptions. Over time, they'll start to head to their little spot whenever they need a break. It's a simple way to help your pup feel secure and gives you both a little peace during busy days. 9. Check their collar and harness fit, and always use a harness for walks. It's easy to forget, but Yorkies grow and change, even as adults. That perfect collar or harness from last month might suddenly feel too tight or get loose and worn out from all their adventures. Make it a habit to check the fit every couple of weeks. You should always be able to slip 2 fingers snugly between the collar and your Yorkie's neck. Too tight is uncomfortable and even dangerous, while too loose means your clever Yorkie could slip out during a walk. But when it comes to walks, skip the collar altogether. Yorkies have delicate necks and can be prone to collapsed trachea, a serious health problem that makes breathing tough. That's why using a harness is the safer choice. A harness takes the pressure off their neck and spreads it across the chest and shoulders, keeping your pup comfortable and making it much harder for them to pull a disappearing act. A quick fit check and a switch to a good harness make every walk safer for your little explorer. 10. Take care of your Yorkie's teeth. Let's be honest, Yorkie smiles are adorable, but those tiny teeth can turn into big trouble fast. Yorkies are famous for dental problems because their little mouths are crowded and it's easy for plaque to build up. If you skip brushing, you might not notice anything is wrong, until your Yorkie's breath gets scary or they start having trouble chewing. Nobody wants a surprise vet bill or a sad pup with sore gums. Here's what works. Grab a puppy-sized toothbrush or a finger brush and use dog-safe toothpaste, never the human kind. If your Yorkie squirms or acts dramatic, you're not alone. Just start with a few seconds and lots of praise, or try a tasty dental chew as a reward. Daily brushing sounds like a chore, but it only takes a minute, and it keeps their breath sweet, their kisses welcome, and their vet visits a lot less expensive. Trust me, future you and your Yorkie will thank you for making tooth care a regular thing. 11. Make daily exercise a non-negotiable. Even though Yorkies are small, they have tons of energy to burn. If they don't get enough play or walks, that energy will come out in barking, chewing, or running wild through the house. A couple of short walks each day, just around the block or to the park, makes a huge difference. Let them stop and sniff, check out the neighborhood, and say hi to other dogs if they want. Playing fetch in the hallway or tossing a soft toy around the living room works too. It doesn't need to be fancy. Just moving together keeps your Yorkie's body and mind happy. After some good exercise, you'll notice they settle down easier, listen better, and seem happier overall. It's simple, but it works. 12. Look out for your Yorkie's joints. Yorkies love to zoom around, but their little joints need extra care as they get older. Even before they seem old, start thinking about their joint health. Keep your Yorkie at a healthy weight and make sure they get gentle exercise every day. Too much jumping from couches or beds can really take a toll. You can ask your vet about joint supplements even before you notice any signs of stiffness. The sooner you start, the better for those tiny knees and hips. If you ever spot your Yorkie slowing down, acting stiff, or having trouble with stairs, check in with your vet right away. A little prevention goes a long way in keeping your Yorkie happy, active, and pain-free as they age. 13. Brush that Yorkie hair. A lot. Yorkshire Terriers are famous for their beautiful, long, silky coats that look like flowing human hair, and that gorgeous coat needs some serious TLC. Without regular brushing, preferably daily, their fur can quickly develop mats and tangles which are uncomfortable and can lead to skin irritation or infections. Plus, their fine hair can trap dirt and debris, making grooming a key part of keeping them healthy and happy. Many Yorkie owners swear by using gentle, dog-specific brushes and detangling sprays to keep their pup looking like a little canine superstar. If grooming isn't your thing, professional grooming every 6 to 8 weeks is a great idea to keep those locks in top shape. 14. Always use praise and treats when training. Yorkies learn best when you let them know what they're doing right. So, when your pup sits, stays, or comes when you call, make a big deal out of it. Give them a happy good job and a tiny treat. They'll connect your words and excitement with the good behavior, and you'll see their little tail wag with pride. Keep treats small and soft so your Yorkie can keep training without getting stuffed. It doesn't have to be fancy, just make it fun and positive. Ignore mistakes and focus on what you want to see more of. The more you praise and reward, the faster your Yorkie will learn. And honestly, you'll both look forward to these little training moments every day. 15. Don't skip those vet visits. Even if your Yorkie seems perfectly healthy, regular vet checkups are a must. These visits aren't just for shots, they help catch little problems before they become big ones. Your vet can check things you might miss, like early signs of dental disease, joint issues, heart murmurs, or subtle weight changes. For a small breed like a Yorkie, even small issues can quickly impact their health and quality of life. Plan on at least one wellness visit per year, and more often if your pup is a senior. Stay up to date on vaccinations, dental cleanings, and blood work as your vet recommends. It's all part of making sure your Yorkie stays happy, active, and by your side for as many healthy years as possible. Preventative care saves money and lives. That's it from us today. We hope these tips help you and your Yorkie live better together. Whether they're curled up next to you or running the show like they own the place, one thing's for sure: life's never dull with a Yorkie. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more simple, helpful dog care tips. Got a Yorkie story? Share it in the comments. We'd love to hear it. And if you know someone who owns a Yorkie or is thinking about bringing one home, send this video their way. This is Doggy Pedia. Thanks for spending your time with us, and we'll see you soon.